Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add text to your video in CapCut PC. So this basic tutorial, I think this video is especially for those of you who are using CapCut PC for the first time. So go to media and import your video you like to edit and just drag to the track. So you can add text, just click text here. You can add default text, you can add text effect or just text template. For example, I'm going to select default text and adjust for the duration in the same lane. And the first option right here, you can change for the text. And then you can resize. Oops. You can change for the position and then you can change for the font style. And then change for the color. Right. So you can adjust for another option available here. You can add animation to text. Just click animation and select the animation you like. So that's how you can add text to your video in CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much.